ជំរាបសួរតោះរៀនខ្មែរជាមួយនុត Hello, let's study Khmer with Nut. So I continue from the last EP, last lesson. Um, I teach you bo, po, 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 mo, right? So now we continue yo, ro, lo, wo, so. Almost finish soon. Okay, let's try together. For oral, we already finished, right? So this week I just focus the consonant and renew again and again about the vowel sound. So yoro lo wo so. You can see the color, right? So the red color is the group. Group what? Group O, or we can say group B. And the black color consonant is the group O or group A. So we separate group because when we combine with the vowel, the sound will be changed. Like one vowel have two sound like vowel A, the first vowel A. When we use with the group B consonant, the sound A become ear. In that case, you have to remember both both vowel sound and also remember the group of consonant. That's why I make the color like this. So yoro lo wo, you can see this is the group B. So when we combine with the vowel, like example with the first vowel a, it's not use the a anymore, so it will be sound ear. So yo alphabet yo is y, so you can make y with the ear we call year, and then you can see I will count I will read it one by one. Ear e u. So for your year you, and then u with your your year, and then ear a o your year ye yo, and ở é with your dơ dũng dũng. Yeah, the last one u úa, when we combine with your you you, like that. We cannot use the blue color sound right? So we can say yeah, no, you. Okay. So the consonant ro is the same. Ro is the group B consonant, so we will use. Okay, I will just read it. Ria, ri, ru, rua, rơ, ria, rê, rô, rớ, rúng, róm, re, ru, rùa. Low also the same. Okay, low, lia, li, lư, lúa, lừa, lia, lế, lấy, lỡ, lúm, lõm, le, lùa. Vô, the same. Vô, vía, ví, vứ, vụ, vúa, vứa, vía, vế, vấy, vố, vớ, vúng, vóm, ve, vu, vi, W. The last one is saw. Saw, you can see this is not the group B consonant, it's the group A consonant. So we use the sound, normal sound of vowel. So saw will be sa, se, say, s, sir. Ua, ứa become xua, sao, xưa. Ia, sorry. Ia, ai, ao. So, xía, xế, sai, sao. Áo, á. Sao, súng, xóm, xăm, xa. O, o. So, so. Okay. So today only 5 consonant and I just review the vowel sound. So let's writing. Okay, so we go to writing. And writing for writing, okay. So for consonant, yo, how we write yo? Yo, okay. Only two. 1, 2, okay. Yo. And row only one time, row. Row and then low. Low only one time too. Just start down to up, right to left. Okay. Low. Row low. Vo and then vo. Vo and row is similar. You can see, right? This is vo and this is row. Row. Row is letter R. Sorry. Yeah. Letter R. Row. Vo is similar. And the last yo, okay, yo, ro, lo, vo, and last one is saw. Saw and lo is similar. You can see this is lo and this is saw. Lo. So the different one is this part, right? So if you say saw, you just add this, but the balance is not good, right? So in that case, when you say saw like that, and this one, saw, follow, like this, okay. Okay, saw, oh, wrong. Okay, saw. Yo, ro, lo, wo, saw. Yo, ro, lo, wo, saw. And combine with the vowels like I example already. So yo, that's this is we call ear, right? So it become year. And yo, that's e we call g, like that. So okay, I give one example of the word year, and year we call yay, yay. This we have to remember we call yay, yay, yay is mean grandmother, yay. I like my grandmother. So what we call in Khmer? You learn already, right? I like. Like it mean in Khmer ចូលចិត្ត I ខ្ញុំ So I like my grandmother. I like grandmother, or we can say I like grandmother. So in Khmer we say ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តយាយខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តយាយខ្ញុំ we always learn ខ្ញុំ right ចូលចិត្ត like ចូលចិត្ត yay yeah ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តយាយ I like grandmother if I say ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត if I say I like my grandmother ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តយាយខ្ញុំ my grandmother យាយខ្ញុំខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តយាយខ្ញុំ I like my grandmother so all we learn already like ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត now you can see Joel and Lo already today we learn so we call Joel Chut it mean like Yay it mean grandmother I like grandmother okay Yay and another okay Ro Ro example okay okay this Ro so we combine with this letter you remember it's called vowel is when we use big group A, but when we use big group B, become warm. So how we pronounce this? It's become rom. Rom it means dance. Rom dance. I like dancing. I like dancing. So I like ខ្ញុំ I ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត like I like dancing ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត Rom. I like dancing. The Khmer language is easy. We don't have difficult grammar like English or another language. I feeling like we just know the word and we combine together. We can make one sentence and correct one. Not difficult. We just remember the subject, word, and object. So, Rom it means dance, but sometimes Rom also become the nouns. So, I like dancing or I like dance. We can say, but English we cannot say I like dance, right? We can say I like dancing. We make the dance to become the noun, like we add ing. But in Khmer, no need to. I just say Kim Rom. So we understand. I like dancing. Kim Rom. Of course, for grammar ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តការរាំ we need the noun ការ but for normal speak we cannot say ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តការរាំ is like too grammatically so we just say I like dance ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរាំ okay ចុះអ្នកវិញ how about you ចុះអ្នកវិញ and you yeah ចុះអ្នកវិញចូលចិត្តរាំទេ do you like dance ចុះអ្នកវិញ okay so the next low oh okay low um okay low I remember low this low and right so but for group B we call ear so low ear lear it means goodbye lear but when we say just lear um, like bye lear bye but in Khmer we make more uh, formal one we say ជម្រាបលា and we like that ជម្រាបលា when we meet someone we say ជម្រាបសួរ hello and we say goodbye ជម្រាបលា so ជម្រាបសួរ and ជម្រាបលា this is goodbye ជម្រាបលា this is ចូល You remember the word cho, chum, cho, chum. Sorry. My right is chum, cho, right? This is cho. And sra becomes sra is chum. This is ro, and this is sra ear, and this is bo is b, chum riep, lia. This is lo, and this is sra ear, chum riep lia. Goodbye, chum riep lia. Goodbye. Okay, chum riep lia. All consonant and vowel we learned already, so I hope you can read Khmer. If you cannot, please ask me why. The last, not the last. Next is vo. 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 Let's think about the example. Vo. Vo. Vía. Okay. Vía. Cứ. Chia. Chma. Okay. Vía. Vía vo. And sa ia, right? Vía. Cứ. Cứ. Chia. Chma. Chma. Okay, vía cứ chỉ chma. Vía cứ chỉ chma. It is a cat. It is a cat. Cứ chia lại is. Vía it is a cat. Cat chma is cat. But for English, we have add a right. So it's the grammar. But in Khmer, no need make like English grammar. We just combine word and we can say for one cat chma muối, we just say chma. But if we want to say chma pi, we just add the the number two. Vía cứ chỉ chma pi. Like that. So for a cat, we just said vía cứ chỉ chma. Or we just make like English. We can vía cứ chỉ chma muối. Okay. So vía it mean it. It is. It is a dog. Vía cứ chỉ chkai. Okay. Oh. And the last one is saw. 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 Okay, saw. Okay, this, you can read it. Can you read it? ស្រីខ្មែរស្រីខ្មែរស and this is raw raw food, and this is ស្រអី right ស្រី k this is call, this is mole food, and this is ស្រអែ and this is raw. The we send ស្រីខ្មែរស្រីខ្មែរ it mean Cambodian girl, Cambodian woman. Sray it mean woman, female. Yes, Sray mean female. Sray mean female. So Sray Khmer it mean female Cambodian. It mean Cambodian girls or Cambodian women. ស្រីខ្មែរអញ្ចឹង I am a Cambodian girl so how about this phrase I am a Cambodian girl so we say ខ្ញុំគឺជាស្រីខ្មែរ sorry my word is not beautiful ខ្ញុំគឺជាស្រីខ្មែរ I am a Cambodian girl so what I forgot to teach you about the food of Yorolovo okay so I said again for your like that right and your food is like that your your food your food and raw maybe you can see the words right so this raw food and low this the same just small one same just small one and raw like this raw and saw food this saw food similar yo but different this part outside and have this one this can see but yo inside and don't have anything but saw outside and have this and raw is opposite with yo you can see yo and this is raw and this is yo okay so today we learn the example from the Yorolovo a lot right example again yo I made the example yay ro I made the example rom lo I example lia ជំរាបលា wo I exampleវា and saw I example ស្រី or ស្រីខ្មែរ so okay I hope you can remember it and enjoy the Khmer language. If you have any question, please ask me. And the next lesson will be the last one for the Khmer consonant and vowel. Okay. អរគុណច្រើន ជំរាបលា Bye bye.